What's up everybody? Welcome back to the vlog and welcome back to another video. You are joining me today in my garage. So for you guys, well, nobody's seen my garage before. I actually just got done getting it put together, but we moved into this little townhome. So here's my garage, but into this little townhome about a month ago, 5 weeks ago, something like that. But me and my daughter, we just got back on a bike ride. That's why the mountain bike's still outside, and then she has a couple or 3 or 4 bikes right here. But so if I'm talking kind of funny, it's because I'm still trying to catch my breath, because I've been trying to do a little bit more active stuff lately. Last weekend we went golfing, went on a couple bike rides, and so I'm just trying to do more stuff to cut down on the weight. But yeah, so this is kind of our townhome setup. So that's not my bike, by the way, that's the neighbor's Bolt bike. But as you can see, it's just kind of like a neighborhood full of townhomes. There's my little Ford Expedition that I'm in on my, when I tell you I'm in my personal vehicle. But for you guys that haven't seen it, this is my Harley right here. So there'll be some Harley videos coming and whatnot, but this is it's a 2012 Harley Davidson Nightster. It's one of the Sportsters, but we got some remote control cars, some Harley Davidson blankets, and then I just got all my tools finally situated and put away. But anyways, so today I'm actually going to be shooting a couple videos while I'm home. So the first video is going to be making poles to install your V-boards up on top of tall loads. As my daughter trips on stuff, she comes through the garage. But and so that's what essentially this PVC pipe is going to be for. And then we have the couplings and the T-fittings. So I'll have to do this video, take a pause here in a minute, because I need to run to the diesel and get a V-board. So this is going to be to install like your little plastic V-boards, whether they're the 24-inch ones, whether they're the little 10, 12-inch ones like the ones I use on my flatbed or my step deck. But essentially these are the parts that we're going to use. So I'm making 2 of them. One for my truck to go and stay in my truck, and then one for my buddy Sean, who runs with us, for his truck. So that's why I have essentially, can't really see because of the glare, but I think these are 1-inch PVC pipe that are 10 feet long or whatnot. So I grabbed 2 of those, and then I grabbed 2 T's and 2 couplings. So because what we're going to do to make it to where we can put these under our bunks in our trucks is I'm going to cut the poles in half and then put a coupling, and then that way you can either have a 5-foot length, or you can put it together to get a 10-foot length in case like you have a tall load of lumber or the roofing insulation or something. So this will essentially go in the middle of each one to make it 2 lengths, and then these T's will go up here on the end, and then you'll see, because we'll go over the process, but we'll cut a notch to be able to install the V-boards. Okay. Alright, but anyways guys, I'm going to run to the truck while me and my daughter are. So we're going to make the V-board pole installation. I don't even know what the hell you call these things. So, but a pole to install V-boards on a tall load. And then I'll do another video today, how to fix parts on your truck, because you'll see in the next video I popped off my bumper. So well, a piece of my bumper, but I went and bought stuff to where I can fix that. And then I might be making the other V-boards today too. Like, here's some old straps. This is kind of my trucking corner at my house. I got some chains and some snow chains and ratchet binders, but I have some old straps, and we're actually going to be making those 4-foot V-boards. So like when you're hauling buckets and bags and things like that, then then you can put, you know, your 4-foot V boards that are tied together with straps so that nothing falls off. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna run to the diesel, go grab the things I need from there, and then we'll be back to make these V-board installation poles, is what I'm gonna call them. If you guys know of a better word or what they are actually called, then please leave it in the comments, but I'll see you guys here in a minute. Alright, so we went back to the truck and we got the V-board, as you can see. So, and then what we have done with these pipes is my daughter helped me, and we found 5 feet and made marks. So there's 5 feet on that one, there's 5 feet on this one. So I have my grinder out, which I might actually just use I have a little saw. I'll probably actually use this that way, because my grinder only has a blade that's made for cutting tile, because I used to have a tile company, so I'll probably just use this. That way it doesn't melt. And then so we did that, we got those ready, and then we took and we made lines here where we want to cut these. So, and essentially what it's going to do is, you know, the V-board will slide down in there. So, and then I do mine kind of towards the back, as you can see that line's towards the back side. So the further you put it back here, then when the V-board slides in, it doesn't flop forward and set like this, you know, it'll set more straight up and down. So if you do your line like directly in the center, then when you put your V-board in, it'll actually slide back here, and then it'll, you know, it won't be straight up and down. So, but with that being said, I'm going to work on cutting these out and cutting those in half, and then we'll get them just put together. I'm not going to glue them together or anything. They're just strictly going to be like this, so you can take them apart and replace parts if you need to. So say like you drop it and this piece shatters, we can just pull it off, recut a new one, stick it right back on. So there's really no reason to glue them unless you want them glued. So, but yeah, let's get these cut out and get them made, and we'll show you the final product. Alright guys, and there we are. Finished product as far as, you know, see how I put that, the line I cut out close to the back. That way, you know, when we hold that V-board up, it'll be straight up and down. So, but yeah. So that's it. We're gonna do this one, and then we'll put all the pieces together and we will be good. So here we go. Alright guys, so what I just got done doing was I have some sandpaper and stuff too, but I have these little wire brushes, and so the wire brush, you know, I just cleaned all the crap off of the end from when I cut them. So, and then all we're going to do is we'll stick the T on one side, right? We'll stick the coupling on the other side. So essentially that's one. So, but that's all it is to it, you know. There's that and the coupling, and so then the coupling allows me to use the other piece if I wanted to and stick it in the coupling, and then all of a sudden I have a, you know, a 10-foot pole essentially that I could use to put the V-boards on. So let me set the camera down over here again on my RC cars, but see, essentially you'll have your V-boards. You'll take your V-board, stick it in there, and then you can reach up. Then like the top of my garage door is our load, so we can reach up there, boom, pull it out. You don't want it too tight, obviously, because then you can't pull it off without knocking your V-boards off. But so yeah, simple as that. Hopefully I'm not wiggling the camera around all funny again, but hopefully you guys enjoyed that. So that's how you build a pole to install your V-boards, cheap and easy. Oh, let me go over the price sheet with you. So move my beverages of sorts out of the way. Okay guys, so here's the price sheet. I went to Home Depot. I got the 1-inch tees were $2.68. The 1-inch couplings were $1.14, and then the 1 by 10 foot PVC pipe was $8. And that's for two, so two of them each, and the total price came to, well, $11.76. It looks like total was $12.50 out the door, so $12.50, and we now have two poles to install V-boards for the red truck and then the white truck that you seen if you watch the video of me. Anyways guys, that will do it for how to build V-board installation pole, I guess is what I will call it. So yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you go browse this channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, whatever you want to do, and I will see you guys here on the next video.